Hey guys, Sean from Note Cycles. Today we have our Harley-Davidson Street Glide with our Soundstream V2 installed. And we're going to go ahead and do a little video on the gauges in action as well as the audio inside of our Senna helmet. Give you a little preview of what that's going to look like when it's installed on your Street Glide or Road Glide. So let's go ahead, get our helmet on and go for a ride. So now we are on the road. We're going to go ahead and bring up our first gauge package, which is mile per hour, voltage, RPM, intake temperature, as well as twist grip. So let's get out on the road here and show you it in action. Part of the road. Go ahead and see what she can do. Switch it over to the other gauges by swiping. So now we have voltage, RPM, our 0 to 60 time, as well as our mile per hour. So let's actually stop here for a second and go ahead and change some of our gauges. So we can go into select gauges. Center gauge is going to be only 0 to 60. Get out of that. Top left gauge, we can go to throttle position. And bottom right gauge, we'll go to Q on cylinder 1. And let's see here, we can go to, we'll leave RPM alone. Let's see how that's changed everything. So now we have our throttle position and our cylinder 1. So let's see how that does. Just want to go over just switching in between the bike speakers and the helmet, which is a Senna Impulse V1. So go ahead and play, have it play on the bike, and then if we tap the top and hit speaker routing, now it's to my helmet. So we can go back to the bike. So now it's back to the bike. And once again, back to the helmet. And all the music comes through, and it's very, very quick. Once your phone and the helmet are both paired to the Soundstream V2, you will be able to get all of your turn-by-turn directions, Siri requests, be able to hear all your music. And it's a wonderful thing. So now we've done a little extended features of the Soundstream V2. If you have any questions or are looking to purchase the Soundstream V2, please visit us at notecycles.com. And as always, have a blast out there.